from Wowebony. I got a 360 lace wig from them. So I went ahead and already did the scalp method with the stocking cap. If you guys wanted to see a separate video on that, just let me know. I'm gonna just cut off the remaining cap. Do not judge my cap. This cap matches my skin like perfectly, and it got all kind of runs in it, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Can't nobody see the back, you just worry about the front. What is a 360 lace wig? A 360 lace wig basically is a 360 lace frontal with bundles attached that creates a wig. So let's demonstrate that again, because I know you guys gonna be like, what? Explain it. A frontal that goes completely around, because it goes from ear all the way past this ear and back. It's a complete 360 circle. 360, you get what I'm saying? Am I explaining that? Y'all getting it? Then the inner portion of your head here, the wefts are sewn, which you can see inside of this cap. 360 lace frontal wig basically gives you a lot of versatility. You can pull it up in a ponytail in the back. You can adhere it down with glue in the front as well as the back, so it really looks like a full lace wig. It comes with combs as well. You have 2 combs here on the side that's going to hit right here. You also have one in the middle, as well as one in the back. The adjustable straps right here, so you can tighten it if you need to. Here we are, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to wear a 360 lace frontal wig. Okay, plop it on like that. See how it fits. Yep. Then you can go ahead and decide if you want to bleach or not. Tweeze the hairline. I did tweeze the hairline, and I actually over tweezed right here if y'all can see that. But tweeze the hairline if you need to. I do have a video showing you how to pluck the hairline and how to bleach the knots. Really simple. Now, if you can see on this wig, we have like where the lace meets together right here. This typically should be like in front of your ears. It just depends on the person, because for me, that just don't fit right. So I have to kind of pull my wig forward a little bit. I like to start with my 360s behind the ear, and you can see how it has this cutout. That's where your ear is supposed to lay. Hear what I say? I'm going to pull this down. I'm going to cut it behind my ear. And be careful, don't cut your damn ear off, y'all. Basically, we're going to trim away the lace that's covering our ear. See how you can adjust it? You see what I'm saying? Let it lay flat like that. My little technique that I like to do, especially when I'm installing wigs on my clients. So basically you have something like this. Don't even worry about the back. We ain't focus on that right now. We focus on this front. Okay, so now once you cut away the lace to your hairline, I'm going to pull it back just a little bit, and I'm going to apply the got to be glued. You don't have to do this. This is optional, but this is a good way to lay down your wigs. Now this is key. When you want to lay down your wigs, get you a comb with a tail end like this to help press down the wig. We're just gonna pull it forward. Just gonna line it up where we want it to go. And press it into the skin. So then this is where your tail end is gonna come into play. For the back, what you want to do is adjust the straps if you need to make it fit really good. And I'm going to be just clipping that comb into the braid that I have in the back, okay? And then you want to just cut this lace away. I recommend you just cutting it when it's off your head, not on your head like me, but you guys get what I mean, right? And I got BBs back here, okay? But you get the picture. So this is a completed look, you guys. I did go ahead and straighten the hair. Like, look how sleek this looks. Like, oh my god, look how sleek that looks. Now when I did straighten it, it does feel a lot thinner, but that's given because, like I said, it's 150% density, and it's for me, it's like a natural full, but it's not like super duper full. But once you straighten it, any texture you straighten is gonna always make it a little bit thinner. So just keep that in mind. If you plan on wearing this one like straight and you want it to be full, I suggest getting like a 180% or like a 200%. Alright, so if you have any questions, as always, leave them below. Don't forget to check out the description box. I will link everything below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!